out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy, and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today, we have an Amazon Prime personal shopper unboxing. So we have 2 boxes this time. They do send you a preview. You pay $4.99 a month to have them style you. I do have some jeans in here, which I'm really excited about. If you've been watching for any length of time, you know that I'm struggling to find jeans. I have sized down, so we will see how this goes. I'm a little bit nervous about some muffin top that may be showing here as we move along. But if you're not familiar with Amazon Prime, I will put some Amazon Prime wardrobe. I will put some details down in the description box, and I will link up above my last Amazon Prime wardrobe unboxing and try on, so you can check that out as well. These do come individually wrapped and individually packaged, as opposed to some of the other boxes where they're in a little bundle. These are not. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these, and then we will get to the try on. Okay, so I have everything unwrapped and unpackaged so that we can take a look at it. But I do want to tell you I do have 2 boxes here. So I do have 2 return labels. And what you will have in here as well is the prices and the listing of all of your items. So I will put that information down in the description box as well as on the screen whenever I try everything on. So you will see here that I do have several pairs of jeans that I'm really excited about. So I'm hoping that they will work out. But we also have a couple pair of earrings. So let's get into those first. So here's our first pair. Let's see. It's really pretty, kind of rhinestone. I hope you can see those okay. It's like a pink, a gray, and like a teal. And it's going to go really pretty with a shirt that we have in here. So hopefully you can see those pretty well. And then we have a pair of gold earrings that are also equally pretty. If I recall correctly, these are not quite as expensive as the other ones. All right, so let's get into the clothing. So here is our first item. And this is I did not realize that this was quite as sheer as what it is, but this is a cute floral ruffle around the top blouse that you will have to wear a cami or something underneath. So I'm not even sure that I have a black cami to try under it, but I will find something. So I really like the pattern on this. I think it's cute. I like the small floral patterns, and I like the combination of colors. We have some greens and some blues in there. Very pretty, which would match the earrings. All right, let's see. And then we have a pair of dark gray jeans. These look like they are going to be a skinny jean, high-rise ankle skinny with no distressing. So that works for me. Then we have a dark rinse jean. These are from Democracy, and these are also a high-rise. And these look more like they could be a skinny, but no distressing as well on these, which is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something that's more appropriate for like casual Fridays at work. I have some jeans that have some distressing in them. I'm not really looking for any more of those right now. And then we have a really pretty, another ruffle blouse here, ruffles down the center. I like the small floral pattern. Again, a lot of fun colors in there. We've got some blues and some pinks and some reds. Very cute. We have a cuff here at the wrist. The arms are sheer. Then we have a cute silver, it looks like, buckle here on the sleeve at the wrist. We do have a little tie here at the neck. So very cute. You could dress that up or dress that down, which I'm excited about. Now we have a pair of black jeans. Again, no distressing, just a basic pair of black jeans. And finally, the last pair of jeans are a pretty, just blue jean. I like that shade of blue. no distressing. So I'm excited to see how these will work. Hopefully in this stack we will have at least one pair of jeans that will work and fit me properly. So I will be right back and we will try these on. Okay, so here we are with the first three items. I have on the blouse, a pair of the jeans, and then the earrings. So let's first talk about the earrings. These are really, really cute. I do like the rhinestone. They're subtle yet noticeable, if you will. So I do like those. And don't worry, if I send these back, I will clean them. And then we have the ruffle blouse. I'm not sure that I like it with these jeans, but it is very comfortable. It was initially tight. There is a little bit of a lining underneath. There's a navy lining here that goes along with the navy. This is a navy undertone or navy base underneath these flowers. So the lining was a little bit snug across the chest, but once I got it on and got everything situated, it fits beautifully. The tie here does have some little silver, I don't know what those are called, but little silver tabs. I don't know how to do this, like this, which is a very cute and unique detail. Again, the arms are sheer. I feel like the fit is good, not too tight up here around the neck. And again, I do like the small print floral pattern, if you can see that. I'm not sure if the colors are coming across very well with the lighting, but I do like the color combination as well. All right, let me know what you think. I'll be right back. Oh, we got to do the jeans. I completely forgot the jeans. Okay, so I do feel like the 16 is a better fit than the 18s. These are a straight leg or boot cut, and I'll pin down here in just a minute to show you that. But in terms of around the waist, I do feel like they fit me nicely here and everywhere. They are a little looser, but I think that's just because of the cut. I do feel like they fit me nicely, but I'm not sure that I'm a fan of the cut of these jeans. So let me show you those real quick. So see how here's the cut of the jean. Again, I do like the collar. It is more of a straight leg or boot cut, which I'm not opposed to. I'm just not sure that I'm feeling it right now. I'm not sure why. I know this is kind of what jeans are going to, but not sure that it's for me. I'm also not sure if I like the change in the distressing here, how it's more, not distressing, the coloring. I'm not sure if I like that here and then darker on the outsides. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you feel like the 16 is a much better size for me as opposed to the 18. Here's what the back looks like. All right, moving on. Okay, so I'm back with the same blouse and the dark wash Democracy jeans. I do feel like these are a better fit than what I had been getting in terms of the 18s. I do feel like the 16s are a little bit better. These are more of a skinny fit jean. I've had these on for about 10 minutes or so, and they do feel really good. They're, you can see that they're loosening a little bit around the thighs. They are very comfortable. They are movable. You know how I like to make sure I can move in them, but I do feel a little bit of gaping right here at the waist. Like they're fitting nicely here at the belly button, but then it's like they're going down slightly right here the longer I wear them, which is kind of a pet peeve of mine. But let me pan down and show you guys the calves and the length. All right, so here you see the length. They are a usual ankle length. They are a little bit tight around the calf, and I think that's part of the problem. A friend of mine, Nicole, had mentioned that she feels like that might be why her pants a lot of times will fall down, because of bigger calves, that they get stuck there and there's not much movement because the calves are keeping the jeans a little bit tighter around there, so there's not much movement, and so it sags it down around the waist. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but I mean, it makes sense to me if I explained it right. So anyway, here are the dark wash jeans. I am going to try on the other shirt and with the other 2 pair of jeans. So wish me luck. Okay, so here we have our next 3 items. We have the blouse, the black jeans, and the gold earrings. So let's talk about the earrings first. These are gold double hoop, double, I don't know what we call this, but anyway, one smaller than the other. Very lightweight, very easy to wear, not too long, kind of the perfect length. So I do like these a lot. I'm going to see what the price is. I get a lot of use out of silver and gold, more so than collars, just because that's what I tend to go for whenever I'm grabbing jewelry in the mornings. So let's talk about this shirt. Now I do have this over just a black t-shirt. It would look much better, I feel, over a black cami. Again, I like the black background. I like the colors of the flowers. I feel like they are very subtle. I like the sheer sleeves. Look how pretty that is. We do have an elastic here on the wrist. We have some ruffles here. Now see, this is the sleeve underneath there. That's the sleeve of my t-shirt, and I don't like that. I need to try it on with a cami and see if I like it, but there's a ruffle around the sleeves, and then there's a ruffle here that comes down in a V here right up above the breasts. So I think that's pretty as well. Again, I feel like I need to try it on with a cami. I might like it a little bit better. I do like the color combination. I feel like the fit is good. I am kind of liking this romantic, roughly lacy, sheer balloon sleeve kind of look here lately. So I do like the look. I just need to see if I like it with a cami. I'm not one to necessarily like to layer a lot. That's a lot of work for me, unless I'm just throwing on a cardigan or something. So I don't know, we'll see. But I'll take another look at the footage and then see what my kids and my husband think as well, and see what the price is, because you know that could be a deal breaker. But I do feel like it fits well. And then let's talk about the jeans. The jeans, again, are a size 16, but they are tight. They are tighter around the waist. I did have a harder time getting them buttoned. They are comfortable and I can move in them, but they are not ones that I feel like I would pull for because they're a little bit snug here, and I just don't like to be uncomfortable. But they are a nice shade of black. There's not a whole lot of dog or cat hair or anything like that clinging to them, which I like. And I will pan down and show you the length and show you how they are fitting. They are fitting very nicely through the leg, so let me show you that. All right. You can see that they are fitting very nicely. The length is right at the ankle. The fit is good there. They're not too loose. They're just right, really. They're not clinging at the knees and showing any knee dimples or anything like that. But around the waist, they are a little bit too tight for me. So I think we're getting there. We're getting closer than what we have been. So let me try on the dark gray pair of jeans, and then we will wrap up with some pricing. Okay, so here we are with the same blouse and the dark gray jeans. The jeans are very comfortable. They were very easy to slide on, very easy to button, no complaints. There's a lot of stretch. I don't have any problems with movement in them. I do feel like they fit me nicely. I'm just not sure about the dark gray color. I don't know that I've ever had a dark gray pair of jeans. If I did, maybe I was in high school. So anyway, how exactly would you go about styling these jeans? I mean, it looks good with this shirt as well, since it does have some gray tones in there. Just wondering what you would style with this. I guess you could wear really anything. They're very neutral in terms of the color. So I don't know. I'm going to wear these around and see what I think. I'm going to pan down and let you see the calves and the legs and see how it's fitting there and see what you think. All right. So here's what the legs look like. Again, there's a little bit of movement here. I don't feel like it's too much, Or maybe it is. I don't know. What do you think? It is kind of a lot. Look there. Look. Is that too much stretch? Is it just going to stretch out the more I wear them? The more I wash them? I don't know. That is always the question about jeans. But again, I do feel like you guys were right in terms of sizing down, that a 16 is a much better fit for me than an 18. So, yay for you guys giving me that recommendation. So let me change clothes real quick and we will wrap this up. Okay, so we have two different boxes. So we have two different labels with the prices and the description on there. So you will have two different labels to return the items. So make sure that if you try Amazon Prime's personal shopper that you keep your packaging. Sometimes it comes in bags, sometimes it comes in boxes. So I have to remember to put the right label on the right set of clothing when I return any items that I'm not going to keep. So let's get into this. And I know you guys have seen the prices. I have not. So we'll do this quickly. So the Sorrelli Gem Pop Spiked Drop Earrings are $53.93. Very pretty, but a little expensive. So we will pass on those. The black jeans are $81.75. They were a little tight. Not going to go for those. The Bandolino women's skinny high rise. I did not feel like those were as skinny. These were more like a boot cut or straight leg or something. Anyway, they were $27.53. Not a bad price, but wasn't a huge fan. I did like this blouse. It is a Tommy Hilfiger. It is $36.89. Not a bad price at all. This might be a contender. I'm going to watch the footage and see if I love it. So, maybe. All right, next batch. We have the gold earrings, which are $15.33. Not a bad price at all. I would get a lot of use out of these. So, this is a possibility. And then we have the black ruffle top, $34.32. Again, not a bad price. This is by Kensie. Again, I would have to wear it with a cami underneath. Not sure if I want to do that. I may try it with a cami and see if I like it or love it. So we'll see. Let me know what you think about this one. Was it flattering on me? Were the collars nice on me? Let me know what you think. Then we have the Democracy High Rise. These were the dark wash jeans. They are $78. And then the gray, which I thought might be a contender, but I'm not sure that they are. And they're a little pricey, which we've talked about this before. I will pay a little bit more for jeans because I will wear them forever. But they are $89, and I'm not sure that I'm in love with them. So we have a couple of maybes and then some definite no's. So let me know what you think. I always like hearing from you guys. As you guys know, I'm struggling with this whole style thing here lately in my style in my 40s. So let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. Please like, share, subscribe. And make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I will have a book review coming up soon. It was a duet, and one of them was a 5-star. And I have a Stitch Fix coming up, and soon a truck club. So we have a lot of fun stuff going on here. I hope you will stick around with me, and I will see you guys soon. I am Cindy Settle, and I am signing out. Mwah.